My entire childhood was spent in this place. Whenever I am in this farm, I feel very young and alive. I own this coconut farm from the past 50 years and I always wanted to be close to nature. I'm Dr. Sunil.
I'm Navya Sunil.
This is Homeline Original, Inside Beautiful Home.
Welcome to our house.
You get in the apartment, you've got balconies and you sit in the living room, there's a big window, you see outside, and what do you see? You just see tall rising building, or if you're in the top floor, you see the buildings down, that's all. But here it's different. The moment you see outside, I can see only trees, greenery. The moment in the dining area, you go and see, again you see trees and greenery. And in the night you go, you can see the sky, you can see stars. This is a different thing. If you stay in Bangalore, you don't have time for anything. Okay, everyone is in their own world, in their own rush, everything. I don't see people who is calm, sitting, and especially the working class. They're always on their toes, they're moving, everyone is moving, traffic is more. You go to any restaurant, there is a lot of people. You go to some shopping, there is a lot of people. You go to mall, it is full of people. But the peace is not there. The peace of mind, and if you want to sit and relax, there is no place. That is the reason why I was searching at least for the retirement house or a place which is very calm. We came in search of these things and ended up here, this place where my father was born. And naturally, though we stayed in Bangalore and my education was in Bangalore, most of the weekend we were here. Not that we have to come here and stay for a long time or anything. The very fact that you come inside this, it gives a lot of peace, and we just have to stay for 10 minutes or half an hour, that's enough. And we feel little, okay, my place is safe, everything is good here. That gives a lot of peace to us. So coming to my farm, it is about 5.5 acres and we own this from past 50 to 60 years. My father was the one who developed it. This idea of this villa came up and we built this villa so that it will be useful to us. I know the effort what my father has put in here. Every week, as I told you, used to bring us here, used to come in two-wheeler here and used to make sure all the work was done, used to stay till evening and used to go back. All those things that efforts are in front of my eyes. Remembering those effort and this thing, I thought it's definitely worth the name. So I've given the name of my mother as Sharda Greens to this villa. The real construction started in 2021 November and it took for nearly 2 years. So this house, I always wanted this house to be in the center of the farm. I choose this place mainly because it's in the one end of my farm so that the pathway, it gives a different vibe. As you enter the compound of my farm, you drive in between the trees and you come and suddenly you see a big house. My father always wanted to build a stone house. So in that way, if you see my house, there is lot of stones being used. As you walk through the pathway and enter the house, the first thing which will highlight is the stone wall. And once you enter the living room, as the main door is opened, you'll just get a glance of a big stone wall. The living room is a small area, but because of height, double height or triple height, it looks very huge. The kitchen is an open kitchen. It is connected to a utility area where all the cleaning happens. The open to sky dining area, it is just covered with a temperature controlled glass which we have used. Even in the afternoons, if you sit there, the temperature doesn't rise and you can have your meal at peace. In the night, if you can see the stars, and even when it rains also, it's beautiful to sit out in that dining area. I always wanted this house to be connected to the nature or connected to the farm. So I told my architect, wherever you sit, or if you sit in a living room, at least you should feel that you're not sitting inside a closed area. It should be open space. So in that way, we have designed this courtyard in such a way that if you sit in the living room, now I'm sitting in the living room, I am not feeling that I'm sitting inside a closed area or a four-walled area. So if you open the entire door, it just opens into the farm. And I told my architect even one tree should not go, and he was very supportive. No sir, we'll never remove any of our trees. We didn't give much importance to the luxury. We just wanted it to be very simple and aesthetically different. So if you see our bedrooms, yeah, we can see the mud wall, which gives a different vibe. Furniture also, we have designed it in such a way that it should be simple and elegant. See, whenever you go to some place, see, even you remember, even I remember, because there should be some impact. There should be some memories or something which is very well connected to that place, so that it will make you, it will not, your memory, it stays in your memory. You don't forget it so easily. And the best thing is, every individual who has come to this farm, whenever they meet me, years later also, they inquire, hey, how's your farm? What are you doing there? How is it now? We used to host New Year parties where many people, many friends who are very well connected or who don't know each other also used to come. They used to mingle together. We used to have a very nice time. So since we had such a memorable and nice time, they remember this place. Otherwise, no one will remember. There should be something special. My biggest learning in building this house was patience, patience, patience. See, there are many people, there are many architects or many builders who come and suggest you many things to you. But you should know at the end, you are the one who are living there. They'll come, construct and go, but you are living there and you are the one who is going to face the music and who is face the problem or whatever is it, and who is going to enjoy. That first thing is you are the one who are going to live there, enjoy there. At the same time, if there is problem, you are the one who are facing it. So you should know, we should be very clear, no, I want my house, these are the things which is required, my house, my dream house should be like this. To me, home really means a place where you will be wanting to come back or wanting to go back as early as possible. If you are outside, your home should be calling you. That is home. Be it the people inside it, be it your other surrounding your home or whatever is it, a home should be a place where your heart will be wanting to go back as soon as possible.